Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today, if you couldn't tell from the intro, we're going to be talking about coins. This is a walking park that we take out in Baker's Woods here in Ohio, so I decided to make a coin that will be available for anybody who walks through Baker's Woods until we run out of these coins in the mailbox that is most of the way through the trail. So if you make it to that mailbox and you see a glass jar full of these coins, take one home with you, show it to your friends and family, and I hope you enjoy the video of how it's made.
Alright, as you guys can see, if you own a Glowforge, I'm going to go through the quick design process on how you design this with your Glowforge to make these coins, and you can do this with your own logos. And if you don't, I do have a link below for saving you up to $500 off of a Glowforge if you're interested in getting one. If you're here just to watch the coin being made and you don't want to see the design portion, go ahead and skip past this portion until you're past the Illustrator screen here. So pretty much what I did is I took these designs that I designed in Photoshop, made them exactly 2 by 2 inches, and then designed them around a 2 inch by 2 inch circle. And then what I did is brought them into Illustrator here, rasterized both of these images, and then created another 2 by 2 inch circle. So all you have to do now is you're going to have to stack these on top of each other. So we're going to highlight them, and then we're going to center them both vertically and horizontally. And that's all you need to do. That's essentially how you're going to get perfect alignment for coins. You're going to save your file just like this, and in the Glowforge app, you're going to go ahead and ignore one side of it. You're going to print the one side, and then you're going to cut out that same side. And then what you're going to do is you're going to flip that coin over, but leave the outside material in your Glowforge tray. And then you're going to ignore the cut and that side, and then re-engrave this side on the opposite side of the coin. So you'll see that here in just a second when we're making the coin. So let's go ahead and get started doing that.
Alright, as you guys can see, I've got my coin in here. I just made a copy of it really quick. As you can see, I have this on ignore. That's the back side. And we're going to do an engrave and a cut on the front side, just like I said. I had an extra piece of leftover material from the maple plywood from Glowforge, so that's why I have that selected. So let's go ahead and get started, and we'll print this coin so you can see it being made. Alright, as you guys can see, it finished. So on the one side, so I'm going to use some duct tape around my finger here, just pick it up and lift it like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just flip it. Make sure you hold the top and bottom so you know where you're flipping it at. And then I'm going to place it right back in there so I think that the top and bottom are lined up. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Right there's pretty much top and bottom. We're going to line that back up here. And then all we have to do is hit ignore on the computer, and we'll fire it back up and do the other side. As you guys can see, I just ignored this side that we did and the cut, and then engraved this side. So let's go ahead and print this off and get started. Alright, as you guys seen, we officially have our front and back. They're pretty much perfectly aligned up here. What we're going to do now is we're going to unmask this. There you guys have it. Those are the two coins that I made today, the front and back. The reason why I went with this style font and design here is on the front I just put I survived Baker Woods and decided to make the trees look like it was going down the path that you go through. And the font on the I survived Baker Woods, I made it look like that, so it looked like you took a pocket knife into the side of a tree, like you etched your name in it. And then on the back, I just put our logo so you guys could see this coin being made. So if you guys were actually went through the Baker Woods Trail, and got one of these coins and came all the way up to YouTube to watch it being made. I appreciate it, and just something that I wanted to do for the community to have some engagement in the channel here. So I hope this helps you out. I hope you shared this with some friends and family members and they thought it was pretty cool too. And we'll catch you next time.